So kia ora, just showing these two together because they're part of our Mahia To Mahi range, which was Mahia To Mahi, get it done. And so we created some to-do lists, both A5 and A4 size, two different style versions, and then we also created a weekly planner that goes with it as well. I'll talk to that separately. And it's quite sort of talks for itself really, a to-do list. So it's got, you know, setting your priorities for the day, an actual checklist so you can actually go through and whether or not you like to tick things off or cross things out, and just that's what
draw the marama.
Yeah, whatever, you know, everyone's got different styles, and then just free space for the notes. But then probably what we've got, which is different from others, is that we have got some whakatauki at the bottom of each to-do sheet. So we've got about 5 different ones, and they're all related to planning of some type. So you see at the bottom all these whakatauki. So as you're
5 of them.
Yep, as you're doing all your mahi, then it's a good little reminder on each page.
Cool.
Seek out the distant horizon and cherish those you attain. Yeah, there's some great ones on every day. So that's what the our to-do list is.
And we've got a whole set of similar products in the same range coming up for 2021.
Yeah. Yes, more of these coming soon.